Okay, so we have two questions about facial nerve paralysis, which is very interesting. So the first question is, what is the treatment for synkinesis? Well, we have three ways to treat synkinesis. First is specialized physiotherapy. Second is Botox injection to relieve the overactive muscles. And third, in resistant cases, we have to go to surgery to rebalance the facial muscles. Second question is, can facial paralysis be genetic? Yes, it can be, although rare. It's mostly acquired due to trauma or tumors or Bell's palsy. However, it can be genetic, like some syndromes and rare facial nerve disorders.